Our agriculture and livestock. Agriculture or farming refers to the cultivation of land to produce crops. Agriculture also includes horticulture, livestock rearing, and fishing. India is one of the largest agricultural countries in the world. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of India. About 70% of the population of India is engaged in agricultural practices. Different types of crops are grown which provide food for the people of our country. Also, agriculture provides raw materials for many industries. As we already know, different parts of India have different types of climate and soil, and so the crops cultivated vary according to the types of climate and soil. Various types of crops. In India, two kinds of crops are grown: food crops and cash crops. Besides food crops and cash crops, India also produces a number of fruits and vegetables. In India, we have two main cropping seasons. The crops that grow in monsoon season are known as Kharif crops, and the crops that grow in winters are known as Rabi crops. The Kharif crops include rice, maize, sorghum, pearl millet, bajra, finger millet, ragi, cereals, arhar, pulses, soybean, groundnut, oilseeds, cotton, etc. The Rabi crops include wheat, barley, oats, cereals, chickpea, gram, pulses, linseed, mustard, oilseeds, etc. Food crops. Food crops are grown to meet the food requirements of the people, for example, rice, wheat, millets, and maize. Rice is the staple food of many people in India. It grows best in hot and humid climate with a lot of rainfall. Of the entire agricultural field, 34% of the total field is occupied by rice plantation in our country. The main regions where rice is grown in India are western shoreline areas, eastern shoreline areas, all primary delta regions, and Bihar, Assam plains, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. Wheat is the next most important food crop in India. Wheat is mainly grown in the northern part of the country and is the staple food of people in North India. The climate suitable for wheat plantation is low cold climate with medium precipitation. Wheat can be grown in very different types of soil, but the best soil for its cultivation is loamy soil. The main wheat producing areas in India are Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Millets like jawar, bajra, and ragi are grown in plenty in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Bihar. They are mostly grown in dry areas with less rainfall. They are ready for harvest in just 45 days. India is the world's largest producer of millets. Pulses include lentils, dals like masoor, moong, arhar, and gram are grown in various states of India except where the rainfall is heavy. Cash crops. Cash crops are those which are produced to be sold in the market. They are confirmed source of income for the cultivator. Cotton is used to make cloth. Cultivation of cotton needs 20 degree to 25 degree Celsius temperature and 50 to 75 centimeter of rainfall. Cotton plant needs wet climate at the time of growing and dry climate at the time of collecting seeds. Cotton grows well in black lava soil of the Deccan Plateau. It is chiefly grown in Punjab, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Sugarcane belongs to the bamboo family of plants. It grows well in hot and wet climate. India is the world's largest producer of sugarcane. The main sugarcane producing areas are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab. It is the main source of jaggery, gur, and sugar. Jute is known as the golden fiber of India. India is a major producer of jute in the world. It is another type of fiber crop. Bags, ropes, and a lot of other things are made out of jute. Jute cultivation needs hot and wet climate and fertile loamy land. Temperature of 24 degree to 35 degrees Celsius and 90 to 150 centimeter of rainfall is suitable for jute cultivation. In our country, jute is cultivated in Odisha, West Bengal, Eastern UP, Bihar, Assam, and Tripura. Oilseeds form an important cash crop. Mustard, sesame, linseed, peanut, coconut, and sunflower are the different oil seeds grown in India. These seeds are crushed to get vegetable oil, which is used for cooking food. Tea plantation was first introduced in India by the British. It is one of the most important beverage crops. Most of the world's plantation of tea is done in India. Climate required for tea plantation is tropical and subtropical. The major tea producing states are Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, Tripura, Uttarakhand, and Himachal Pradesh. Coffee is also a plantation crop and grows well in hot climate with moderate rainfall. It is chiefly grown in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Spices include cinnamon, clove, pepper, chilies, ginger, and cardamom. These spices are grown in Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Helping farmers. After independence, the government has taken many initiatives for improving and increasing agricultural production. Farmers are being educated about the benefits of manures and organic fertilizers. Modern machines such as tractors and harvesters and better agricultural tools are used for tilling the land. Better quality seeds are being provided to the farmers. Livestock rearing. Livestock refers to domestic animals that are used for food, fiber, and labor. For example, bullocks and oxen are used to plough the fields and pull carts. Cows give us milk. We make curd, cheese, butter, and ghee from milk. The cattle waste is used as manure for the land. Cow dung is used in villages to produce biogas. The other livestock animals include donkeys, mules, camels, etc., who help us carry our loads. Mules and yaks are used to transport people and goods in hilly regions. Bees can be raised generally for their honey. All varieties of fish are raised on fish farms. We get wool from the hair of sheep and camels. We get meat from sheep and goats. Their skin is used to make leather goods. Elephants are tamed to work in forests. Thus, livestock along with the agriculture plays an important role in the economic growth of our country.